How to add stickers on keyboard on iOS 17. So what we're gonna do is here on the bottom part, you will see your iMessage here. Tap on your iMessage, then you will be led here to your messages. So all you have to do is to choose any chats or messages there. So it will look like this, right? Now on the left side here, you'll see plus icon and then your text message here and then your mic. So what we're gonna do to be able to add stickers on keyboard on iOS 17 is to tap on the text message here, and then here on the left side, you will see this emoji here, this emoji. Tap on the happy emoji here, and here you will see your stickers, your personalized stickers. As you can see, I have added a lot of stickers already. Now, to be able to add stickers, what you're gonna do is you will see this circle icon here, this one. Click on this. What you're gonna do is to choose the photo that you want to change the sticker a sticker rather. And then here you'll see it will automatically clean the background and tap on add sticker on the lower right. And as you can see, you have successfully added this sticker here where you can send it. And basically that's it. That is how you add stickers on keyboard on iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.